Every day we have Wall Street's brightest minds. We have them share the word they believe will define the trading day ahead. Amy Wu Silverman, what is your WEX word of the day?
So mine is going to be pre-positioning, and I apologize if that's technically two words. I think it counts as one if it's a dash.
Yeah, if we put a hyphen, it's
Look,
just one word. But you got to tell us
it's a
why.
hyphen, right? So I think pre-positioning because, look, Frank, we're still relatively early in earnings season, but these reports that you mentioned that are coming today are really important for financials. They're really important for the consumer. And then they also speak to your old FANG names, which has driven so much of the contribution of return to market.
So, Amy, you're also watching options right now. So we were just talking about Netflix reporting after the bell, one of the first mega cap tech companies to report this cycle. What's the options market not only telling us about Netflix, but about the triple Qs and other mega cap tech names?
So this is something that I'm watching very closely because historically, if you kind of look to the past 8 quarters, Netflix is a company that can really move on earnings. This is a stock that has been down 35% on earnings, for instance. Right now, the options market is implying about an 8% move. That sounds pretty high, but again, if you compare it to what it's done over the last 8 quarters, that's actually slightly below. And I think that's interesting because a big theme we've seen since last earnings season is when options markets don't imply that high a move, oftentimes there can tend to be a beat, especially in an environment like this where rates are sort of surprising people still.
What's the options market also telling us about the broader market, the S&P, especially today? It could be a pretty big inflection point with both Goldman Sachs and Bank of America reporting.
I think it is. And it's interesting because there's been this divergence in the larger cap financials. So your Bank of America's, your Goldman's, and then your regionals. That's not too surprising given what we saw in Silicon Valley Bank. But again, I think the options market has been quite sanguine. So if you get something that is a little bit bad news or a little bit worse than expected, that really isn't being priced in right now. One metric that we look at, that skew we talk about quite often, but it's simply that demand for downside protection. You're not seeing that in the large cap financials. So the market is definitely saying, look, we expect this to be good. We expect this to be similar to what we saw from JP Morgan. And if we disappoint, that pre-positioning isn't there right now.
All right, so we're going to go back to your WEX word of the day, pre-positioning. We're seeing a lot of hedging in the options market, according to your data. So how would you tell investors to pre-position today ahead of what could be, again, a big inflection point?
So this goes back to those mega cap tech stocks. One thing about this market that is so crucially important is the market breadth, Frank, has been really poor. So it's again 7 or 8 names driving all the contribution of returns. And the problem is there's such large weights that they can drag the entire index with them. So if you would like to pre-position, I do think hedging is attractive. Take advantage of the fact that you're getting that bid to the downside and own something like a put spread structure that takes advantage of the fact that downside is expensive in something like S&P, and you get to pre-position for a situation where very mega caps sell off hard and drags the index with you, you are protected.
All right, any other sectors that people should look out for where you're seeing the options market showing some hedging or perhaps just some anxiety about the direction it could turn, especially for today?
I think any read through you get into regionals, we've been watching KRE and KBE, those two ETFs, very closely, because again, there's been this divergence in what they've been saying and what large cap banks have been saying. So I think that pre-positioning there is important because they've actually been pricing quite bullishly, but we don't know, obviously, since those earnings are a little bit down the line.